Hello everyone, we are back with another video of TS Ecet 2020. So finally the state government has proposed the new dates of TS Ecet, TS Polycet and TS Ecet. The Education Minister P. Sabita Indra Reddy ma'am conducted a meeting with Higher Education Department and School Education Department yesterday. In yesterday's meeting, they have discussed regarding all educational issues like set examination schedules and new academic calendar and exam for degree students and professional courses students, and regarding online classes for school students and intermediate admissions. So finally in the yesterday's meeting, the government has taken a key decision regarding the conducting of TS Eamcet, TS Polycet, TS Ecet in the state. So in the yesterday's meeting, they had decided to conduct TS Eamcet on 9th, 10th, 11th and 14th September and TS Ecet on 31st August and TS Polycet on September 2. So the government has finalized the dates of TS Eamcet, TS Polycet, TS Ecet, and they will be submitting the file regarding these dates in the High Court. As the matter of conducting of TS sets is in the High Court, if the High Court gives the permission to state government to conduct these examinations, then only the TS Eamcet will be conducted on 9th, 10th, 11th and 14th September and TS Ecet on 31st August and TS Polycet on September 2. So we should have to wait for the decision of the High Court regarding the conducting of TS sets in the Telangana state. So we should have to wait for the final decision of the High Court for conducting of Telangana sets. As you all people know that the High Court hearing was on 10th August, but due to some issues it was postponed to 17th August. So on 17th August we can expect the final decision of the TS High Court to conduct all the set examinations. So this was the latest update regarding the TS Eamcet, TS Ecet, TS Polycet examination. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. Make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description, where you can find fast and latest update regarding the TS Eamcet 2020 and comment your reviews regarding the conducting of TS Eamcet, TS Ecet, TS Polycet in the month of September. Thanks for watching.